channel Tanya Gai. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to use SenseBoard. Okay, so now on your application you need to install SenseBoard application. So this will come along with the Smart TV application if you have purchased. So now just double tap on that. So it will be opened like this. Now there are different kinds of options like pen, eraser, shapes, text, tools. So using this pen you can write anything. I'm just writing my YouTube channel name, Tanya to Guide. So if you wanted to change the color of your pencil, you can even change that. Just tap on this and you can change another color and you can write anything. Now there are different kinds of tips in this large tip. So see here, the color, the font, everything is getting changed. Okay. So these are the different kinds of pens which are available. Now if you want to clear, click on eraser option. There is an eraser option. You can select a particular area and you can mark it so it will get erased. Okay, it will be done within a quick span of time. Now let's go to shapes. You can see many mathematical shapes which are already existed in this. You can just drag and drop it. You can get this colorful shapes. Okay. So by this, when you are teaching mathematics, it will be more interesting for children to see those images and they feel more interesting. Now if you want to even go with AI, click on AI option. So you will be getting quiz, books, how many sites are there based on this image. It will generate automatic questions like how many sides does a hexagon have, what is the sum of the interior angle. So everything will be generated over here. Even if you wanted to go with the books also visible over there. Now next thing, select this particular area. If you wanted to delete, click on delete option. Now similarly, go to, not on shapes. Now go to tools. You can see if you wanted to show clock, you can show clock. During examination, this will help children, for suppose when they are attempting examinations within the school premises, they can see the timing and they can plan their examination accordingly, how many minutes left and everything. Now next thing, if you go to tools, you can see if you can take a screenshot. If you want to draw a table, you can draw a table. If you want one more board inside a board, you can even get that. Now go to more option. If you click on more option, you can get subjects here. Okay. So now see here, animal cell. So you will get an animal cell here. There is a pen symbol here. If you want to rotate, you can even rotate this also. See. So you can show 3D image of this animal cell to children actually. So it will be more interesting. Now next thing is one more thing. This is bacteria cell. So just draw a bacteria cell here. This will also help them to see. Visualization is more important when you are doing. So if you wanted to get some video objects playing, see, it's automatically rotating. Now select the object and delete. Now again go to the subjects. Now come to chemistry. See, if you go to periodic table, the periodic table is visible automatically. So utilize already the subjects which are already existed in the SenseBoard. Now conical flask. Okay, if you wanted to draw some items in the conical flask, you can even see this conical flask also. Like the measurements can be described to the children, like how many liters, everything. Now if you want to show them a tripod, how does a tripod look, how does it will be helpful and everything. Now next thing is mathematics. When you are teaching a protractor, okay, see how the protractor is useful, how to measure the angle, everything can be explained using the SenseBoard. Now for suppose if you wanted to save any file, click on exit, click on do you want to make any changes, you can click on save and you can save the file name. This is one more way. See this particular cell, whenever I am selecting, the objects are displayed over here. So if you want to clear all, click on clear all and it will be removing the whole contents which are already there on the screen. Now if you have written something, if you wanted to zoom in, zoom out, everything is there here. Click on view. If you want to, you have written something over here. here. I'll just show it. I have written something over here and I want to move the screen, so it will be moving automatically. The screen will be moving automatically. So this is enough for today. For the next class, I will explain more tools which are available on SciencePad. Thank you.